Hey friends, a lot of users wanted to ask how you can change the Microsoft Store region on Windows 11. Basically, the thing is that if they are living in a country like India, they want to download the USA version of the apps. Actually, that is not possible unless you are transferring to another country. And in that case, right click on the Start button, select Settings. Now go to the Time and Language tab, select Date and Time, and then select set time zone automatically and then sync now, or you can manually change the time zone from here if you can. But that doesn't mean that you can download something from the Microsoft Store. Maybe you can try a VPN, but that is unethical, so I won't advise on that. But there is no other way to change the Microsoft Store region. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.